The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 2, Parliament. Legislative Procedure. Article 108. Joint sitting of both houses in certain cases. 1. If after a bill has been passed by one house, and transmitted to the other house, the bill is rejected by the other house. Or, b. The houses have finally disagreed, as to the amendments to be made in the bill. Or, c. More than 6 months elapse, from the date of the reception of the bill by the other house, without the bill being passed by it, the President may, unless the bill has elapsed by reason of a dissolution of the House of the People, notify to the Houses by message, if they are sitting. Or, by public notification, if they are not sitting. His intention to summon them to meet in a joint sitting, for the purpose of deliberating, and voting on the bill. Provided that nothing in this clause shall apply to a money bill. 2. In reckoning any such period of 6 months, as is referred to in clause 1. No account shall be taken of any period, during which the House referred to in subclause c. of that clause is prorogued, or adjourned for more than 4 consecutive days. 3. Where the President has under clause 1 notified his intention of summoning the Houses to meet in a joint sitting, neither House shall proceed further with the bill, but the President may at any time after the date of his notification, summon the Houses to meet in a joint sitting, for the purpose specified in the notification, and, if he does so, the Houses shall meet accordingly. 4. If at the joint sitting of the two Houses the bill, with such amendments, if any, as are agreed to in joint sitting, is passed by a majority of the total number of members of both Houses, present and voting, it shall be deemed for the purposes of this Constitution to have been passed by both Houses. Provided that, at a joint sitting, a. If the bill, having been passed by one House, has not been passed by the other House, with amendments and returned to the House in which it originated. No amendment shall be proposed to the bill, other than such amendments, if any, as are made necessary by the delay in the passage of the bill. b. If the bill has been so passed and returned, only such amendments as aforesaid shall be proposed to the bill, and such other amendments as are relevant to the matters with respect to which the Houses have not agreed, and the decision of the person presiding as to the amendments which are admissible under this clause shall be final. 5. A joint sitting may be held under this article and a bill passed thereat, notwithstanding that a dissolution of the House of the People has intervened, since the President notified his intention to summon the Houses to meet therein.